Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing absolutely great. Welcome to our channel, where we don't just teach English, but we inspire you to become the best version of yourself. Today, we are going to talk about a book that is one of my favorite books of all time. It has changed millions of lives, and if you understand it deeply and apply its lessons, it can change your life too. People often say, a book is worth $1 million. Because an author spends his entire life learning, experiencing, struggling, and achieving success. And then he gives you all of that wisdom in just one book. Think about this. If you could sit with a successful person and listen to their experiences, wouldn't that be life-changing? Well, that is exactly what a book does. It gives you access to the best minds in the world. I will explain this book in a very simple way, with examples and deep explanations so that you not only understand it, but also feel motivated to apply these habits in your life. Books are not just about information. They are about transformation. The advice in this book can completely change the way you think, the way you act, and the way you see the world. I have told you this before. All successful people read books as much as possible. They know that books have the power to shape your mindset, build your knowledge, and unlock new opportunities. So make sure to subscribe to our channel because it will not only improve your English, but also help you develop a powerful mindset for success. The book name is The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. I will take you through all 7 habits, one by one. Habit 1. Be proactive. This habit is the foundation of success because it teaches you that you are responsible for your life. Many people live their lives reacting to situations. If something bad happens, they blame others. If they fail, they complain. If they don't get what they want, they give up. But successful people don't do that. They take control. They understand that even though they cannot control everything in life, they can control how they respond to situations. There are 2 kinds of people. 1. Reactive people. These people blame others for everything. If they fail an exam, they say, "The teacher didn't teach well." If they don't get a promotion, they say, "My boss is unfair." If they are unhappy, they say, "Life is unfair." They believe that life is happening to them, and they have no control over it. 2. Proactive people. These people take full responsibility for their actions. If they fail an exam, they say, "I didn't study enough. I need to work harder." If they don't get a promotion, they say, "I need to improve my skills and show my value." If they are unhappy, they say, "What can I do to change my situation?" Imagine 2 friends, James and Daniel. James wakes up late every morning, scrolls through social media, and rushes to work. One day, he gets stuck in traffic and blames the traffic for being late. When his boss scolds him, he gets angry and frustrated. Daniel, on the other hand, wakes up early, exercises, and leaves for work on time. Even if there is traffic, he remains calm because he knows he made the right decision. Who do you think will succeed in life? Daniel. Because he is proactive. He doesn't let external situations control him. How to apply this habit in your life? Stop blaming others. The moment you stop blaming your parents, your teachers, your boss, or society, you take control of your life. Take responsibility. Whatever happens in your life, ask yourself, what can I do to make it better? Control your reactions. You can't control what people say, but you can control how you respond. If you start practicing this habit, your entire life will change.